Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set learning goals in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page that you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books and articles that are recommended to us. We can go and take a look at posts by other people we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to set learning goals in Deepstash. So setting learning goals in Deepstash involves using the app's micro-learning, curation, and tracking features to create structured, actionable, and time-bound objectives. So basically guys, you can go and take a look at all the books that are recommended to you right here on the main page, and then you can go into the create option right here in the bottom right corner of your mobile. So from here you can go and take a look at creating posts, books, links, videos, and so on. So if you want to go and create a new idea, you can click on the post option right here, and then you have the text option, the quote option, and so on. This is where you can set your goals. So you can write out what your goals are, how many articles you want to read, how many books you want to read, and so on. And then you can go and fill them out right here and track your progress. In your profile page, at the main page right here on the screen, the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture. You can track your achievements, and this is how to go ahead and set your learning goals. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.